Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's Sunday. On Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 28th, 2023. In this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. Otherwise it's too much for me and time consuming. And I've already done a samurai Sudoku. It has took me more than an hour to solve that the samurai Sudoku. Well, only 4 of these puzzles I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Well, if the publisher hire me, well, then I will do all the puzzles. But I need a spare time. Yeah, I need a spare time. The first one I will solve is a 3 star Sudoku. 3 star Sudoku number 5872. 5872. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 2 2s. 3 3s, 3 4s, 4 4s. All right, 4 4s. 3 5s, 3 6s, 4 7s, 4 7s. How many 8s? 2 8s, and 1 9. Wow, 1 9. So the 4s and the 7s are in majority. The question is, can I start with the 4s or the 7? Let me start with the 7 then. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So the first row, oh, the only 2 places left for the 7, yeah. Could be here, could be there. No, I need to wait. I need to wait now. Need to wait. Cannot continue with the 7. How about the 4 in this row? The 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 4. Well, cannot continue with the 4 now. 4 4 4. Need to wait. How about the 2 in this row? 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. First column. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in the first column should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Well, in the middle row, we need a 3 in the middle row. Yeah, need a 3. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have 3 in the middle column, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there in the middle row. So 2 numbers left now, the 9 and 8. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for the amount. 1 and 2. Oh, the 8. Of course, I've already marked those numbers. 9 and 8. We have a 9 here, so this box should be an 8. Alright, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 1. Okay. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6. We have a 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. One. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. How about the number? The number. Let me see. The 4 in this column, the 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now, need to wait. 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1. How about 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, okay. Yeah. 7. But the 8. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7. I've marked those earlier with a 7. So we have a 1 in this row, first row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7 are left. Okay. So we have a 1 in this row, first row, 1 in third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3, 5, 8. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. Third column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 3 and 8 in the third row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 5. Alright. Do we have all the 8s? No. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. Oh, no. I cannot continue with the 8. How about this 8 in this row? 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. But the 4. No, 4 still cannot finish that. But the 7 will be, well, we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, okay. Need to wait again. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 5 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those. 5 and the 9. Alright, 2, 2 and the 9. Okay. Well. 2, 5 and the 9. 2, 5, 2, 2. Well. 2 missing numbers in this row. I've marked this box with 1 or a 9. So this box should be also 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 3. Cannot continue with the 3. But we have 1 box left in the last column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now I can continue with the 4. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. 7 still cannot continue. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1? 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Same numbers, I believe, here. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. Now, how about the 1 and all the 1s are used? I can see, yeah, digit number 4, number 1. 1 box left in this second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next down, the 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. I've marked these 2 boxes 2 and a 7. So these 2 boxes should be also 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 in the last row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. So we have a 2 in this last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 7 goes at there. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow. Wow. 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The first I will continue is the 4 Stars Sudoku. So until then, bye bye for now.